So I will do open weather map API key to test the load test using Postman. Now you need to open weather map API, and you need to sign up and go to the map API keys. As you can see, I already have 3 keys for 3 cities: Malacca, capital city, which is KL, and Sabah, and the status for the keys is active. And now I already have in the notepad to test medium, light, and stress test. Now open the Postman. As you can see here, these are my workspace to test the load test. This one is latitude, longitude, and API keys. Now let's try for medium load test. So for Malacca, this is the latitude and the longitude, and insert the special Malacca API keys. And you need to send the request first. So as you can see here, the 200 OK, which is the request is already successful and is already respond as required. Now for run the test, you need to click the runner and upload the get data. So for the medium load test, I will try the iteration, which is the number of loops through the collection during the run. So let's try for 50 iteration, and the delay it's 1000. And to calculate the throughput and read the CPU and memory, as you can see here, now it's already run the request. So the duration for iteration is 1 minute 54 seconds. For all tests, the average response time is 76 milliseconds, and all response are successful. Now let's try for another city, which is Kuala Lumpur, for light test. Now let's insert the latitude, the longitude, and the API keys for Kuala Lumpur. Send the request, and it was successful. And do the same things again. Upload the get data. And for the Kuala Lumpur, the iteration I will try is 20, and the delay is 2000 milliseconds. So it was all successful. The duration for taking 20 iteration is 1 minute 26 seconds, and the average response time is 114 milliseconds, and it was all successful. Now let's try for the last one, is stress load test. For the latitude, Kota Kinabalu is 5.9804, the longitude send the request, and it was successful also. And do the same again to run the test. Now for Kota Kinabalu, for stress test, I will do 100 iteration, and the delay was 0. Now it was successful. As you can see, the iteration for all the requests 100, it takes 22 seconds and 509 milliseconds. For all tests, the average response time is 68 milliseconds. And it was all successful. Plus note, you cannot use the one keys for all the cities. You need a specific. Thank you.